This is my Bosch Cube Touring, and today I'm going to show you how I fixed my broken chain guard. To see how it was done, we'll do some reverse engineering. I'm going to remove the chain guard so you can see inside the chain guard, and you'll be able to see what's on the motor itself that holds it on. So let's turn the bike upside down. I turned the bike end to end and flipped it upside down. We'll start by removing the pedal, keeping in mind that the right pedal is a right-hand thread, so we'll turn it the regular way. Using a 15mm wrench. Okay. We'll start by removing the rear screw. And it's located here. You need a 3mm Allen key. I had to put a longer screw because I had to make a modification to the rear of the chain guard, as you'll see. Okay, the screw's on the floor, so it won't go any further. I'll start by removing the two screws that I installed. There's one here at the bottom, and there's one here at the top. And I'm going to remove the top one. Okay, now I can remove the chain guard, and I'll show you what's behind it and what's inside it. So this is the inside of the chain guard, and you can see that there are two clips, one at the top and one at the bottom. And these clips are made in two parts, and one part of the clips is broken on each clip. So they're almost useless. They're useless as clips, but I was able to find a use for them. And at the rear, there's a hole in the plastic, but the hole is very close to the edge. And what happened here is that the edge broke. So I had to glue a metal washer using Gorilla Glue. Seems to be holding up okay. On the motor there are two tabs. There's a tab here at the bottom, and there's another tab over here. Yeah, I think we can see it now. This is the top tab here. So the idea was to drill holes into the chain guard at the bottom, and another hole here at the top, right through the two tabs. For illustration purposes, I put the screws back in just so you can have a better idea of how they're placed. Now I'll put it back on. Start by aligning it, and then we'll put in the rear screw first. Now we're installing the top screw. Now we'll put the bottom screw in, and we're all done. Not too tight because this is plastic, remember. All that's left to do is put the pedal back in place. And that's it. Let's check if the pedals turn okay. Yep, perfect. I don't know if all Bosch motors have the same configuration for attaching a chain guard, but if yours is similar to mine, this simple repair might be useful for you. If you'd like to see more videos about electric bicycles and bicycle campers, and if you haven't already done so, subscribe to my channel and visit my website www.robertberrio.com. Thank you for watching, and remember, never quit cycling.